Hello, I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. And this week in the kitchen, we're going to be cooking delicious meals and having a lot of fun because I'm still decorating. So, as I prepare the house and prepare the meals, I'd love to have you come and visit. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Well, today we are going to participate in a collaboration with Jody of Southern States. Jody is hosting a Tablescape Collaboration. And you know, I'm all about tablescapes in my kitchen. And Jody has such talent. I mean, she is a great creator and does a wonderful job with tables and makes them beautiful. And even this year she has started decorating her entire house, and so she has stepped it up a notch. So she has made the rest of us look at what she's doing, and we've had to step it up as well. So I'm going to take you along on the journey and let you see what I came up with. Now, I have a video on how to put this centerpiece together. And you know, in my kitchen it's all about the candy canes. Candy canes, gingerbread, warm smelling hot cocoa and coffee, all those smells of the season. And I found some mats, some table mats that I thought would work perfectly with what I'm going to put together today. And also, I found these plates. Now, I am a fan of Lenox, and I have a beautiful set of Lenox, which is called Winter Greetings. And that's what I'm going to be using in the dining room. So you'll see that later. But for my kitchen, I wanted something a little less formal because in this kitchen, my grandbabies are here, my buddies are here. This is where we stop. This is where we have the conversation. This is where we play all the games, the cards, whatever it may be. And so in the kitchen, you want something that you can pick up. If somebody drops it, it's okay. And you just keep it moving and move on down the road. So Candy Cane says to me that we need to have the red, we need to have the white, and we also need that touch of green for the evergreen for winter. And when you look at these Lenox plates, you're going to go, wow, aren't they pretty? Did you know that Lenox carries a melamine plate? Well, I didn't until recently. And they're beautiful. They're washable. You can put them in your dishwasher and clean them up and reuse them. They're twice as good as having a paper plate because they're heavier. You don't have to put anything under it. And it works just like a normal piece of china. Now, these plates came from Amazon, so I'm going to put the link down below. So if you're interested, you'll be able to click on that link and be able to go and find them yourselves. They had several really nice designs of melamine plates, and I used them in the fall. They worked great. So I'm going to be using them for my kitchen this holiday season. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Now I've turned the camera around so you can see the table that I'm going to be working, and it is a table for 4. And of course I can get a few more people around this table if needed. But today I'm going to set this table for 4. And I'm going to start with chargers that I got at Tuesday morning and in their holiday line. And as you can see, they're very pretty and very intricate. So I'm going to use those. I'm going to lay those down at each of the places. Going to, hope I'm not making you dizzy. but I'm also, because I'm having to carry my camera on today, but I'm also going to show you the plates. Now, these are the Lenox plates that we're going to put in place. Are they not absolutely beautiful? Good old Amazon. Amazon finds it. And look at the red and white stripes. They are perfect for my candy cane decor. Got the red and white. You can see it everywhere. And now we can see it on the plate. So I'm going to place these around the table as well. All right, I've put the glassware in place. Notice I have a small beverage glass as well as a tall beverage glass. And the reason for that is because there's going to be a variety of different drinks, and depending upon what people want, they will be able to make that selection. Now, as I was looking through the cupboard, I came across some of my Lenox mugs. And this particular mug, you'll notice, now this is one I've had a very long time. And this mug has that little red bow and has lots of Christmas greenery. And I think for those who like coffee, I think I'm going to add this little mug right there in the center of the plate. And I think that's going to work right there for me. So that's going to go there. Now, it keeps with the red, and while it's not exactly the color, it doesn't have to be. It's going to be close enough. So we're going to have our charger, our plate, our hot beverage mug, our cooler beverage glasses, and last but not least will be the napkins. Just you wait. Well, now it's time to add that last little touch, and this is what I'm going to do. Got those stripes, got the peppermint going. Voila, in each of the places. Here we go. And one more. Ta-da! I hope this week has been wonderful for you, and I hope that it's certainly been blessed, that you've had a great time with your family. And I hope that you will certainly continue to view the videos and be a part of the Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme family. Now, in order to do that, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And while you're at it, since I'm preparing for 2020, please let me know what you like best. Is it the cooking? Is it the decorating? Or is it both? Just let me know in the comments down below. And I'll look forward to seeing you soon in the kitchen.